James Gunn might be trolling us because it looks like Clayface takes place in both the DCU and Matt Reeves' Batman verse. So DC Studios' Clayface just started filming in Liverpool, and we've been getting a lot of behind the scenes photos of Gotham and different props, and it's really teasing us as to what universe this is probably going to be in. Now, the first thing people noticed were the vehicles, like the cop cars, and people automatically realized, wait a minute, that's completely different from the Batman's Gotham vehicles, so there's no way in hell that it could be in the same universe. But then we got another photo of a newspaper called the Gotham Gazette. Ring a bell? That's the same newspaper we saw in the Penguin with the same logo, relatively unchanged. Take it a step further, we get a look at another behind the scenes newspaper prop with the Gotham Herald. And if you look closely at this section, there's an exclusive news article called Ignorant Bliss, talking about a party drug that has taken over the streets of Gotham. And if you watch the Penguin series, you'll know that this is the drug that Oswald was cooking up in that show. Also, if you look at the Gotham Herald, it might have just given us our first look at Basil Karlo's Clayface. Can't confirm, but this guy does kind of fit the bill. But I'm not done yet, because we also got behind the scenes photos of them shooting near St. George's Hall, the same location in The Batman where they had the funeral. We also got to look at the Gotham streets, the graffiti, the posters, a lot of which say abolish the GCPD, which could easily be a result of The Batman for exposing the extensive corruption in the system in that film. But now here's where they begin to throw us curveballs. If you look at a different picture of that wall, there's literal graffiti saying the Jokers. Also teased in The Batman, but he was in prison at that point, and this implies of a Joker gang. We also got them teasing the existence of Metropolis in a newspaper, bringing up the meteors, which we saw in Superman. Now, I've come to the conclusion that there are two possible scenarios at play here. Scenario one, we're being bamboozled like the Sonyverse. You remember when Morbius and Venom were hinting at other Spider-Man films, but never actually took place in those universes? Yeah, I didn't forget that. Scenario two, and what I think is the most likely outcome, is that it takes place in the Matt Reeves universe, which just so happens to be the main DC universe because James Gunn and Matt Reeves combine the two. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.